In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu through the Spotify student discount, so you can enjoy both music and streaming at a reduced price. Let's get started. Spotify offers a special deal for students called Spotify Premium Student, which includes Spotify Premium, Hulu ad-supported, and Showtime at a discounted monthly rate. To sign up, visit the Spotify student discount page and log in to your Spotify account or create one if you don't already have it. Verify your student status by providing details about your school and uploading valid proof of enrollment, such as a school ID or transcript. Once verified, complete the subscription process by linking or creating a Hulu account. After signing up, you'll receive access to Hulu's library of shows, movies, and originals. To start streaming, download the Hulu app or visit hulu.com, log in with your linked account, and begin watching. Download content for offline viewing if needed. Ensure your subscription remains active and that your student status is re-verified annually to keep the discount. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Spotify and Hulu bundle.